I walked right past you guys. Okay, who wants some breakfast? Who wants breakfast? Yeah. Put the phone down, because I can't do it with one hand. Is that good? Yep. Okay. I just you guys are doing so well. You two on the right are way big. Alright, goodbye.